I have somebody on the line. They've been trying to call. I called them back, yes. Lawrence, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Please give us your name once again and where you are speaking from.
Oh, well, my name is Lawrence, and I'm calling from El Paso, Texas.
Thank you very much. And why have you decided to call this very morning? Are you a Nigerian? Who are you? Please explain to us.
Oh, well, I'm actually Black American. I DNA tested about 2 years ago, and I found out I was of Igbo descent, so that's my story.
You did a DNA test and you found out that you're from Igbo land. You are from Igbo descent, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you are not a Nigerian that emigrated to America. Your parents did not immigrate to America. You're you're African American, is that correct?
Yes, sir. We've been here since 1816.
1816. Your ancestors left the holy land of Biafra to as captives to America, and you DNA tested and you found out that you are Igbo. And I say, may God Almighty in heaven, that your ancestors worshipped and which you shall worship one day, guide, protect, and keep you. Please go ahead. What do you want to say? Go ahead.
So my question is, I believe a couple of radio messages ago, I heard you say that the reason why Black Americans aren't treated with respect in the whole George Floyd thing was because we don't have a country in Africa to be proud of, to look up to. And it really stuck with me.
You stuck with you
because it's the truth. So my question is, what can Black Americans of Igbo descent, because I'm not the only one, there's many of us who are actually becoming awake by the fact that we have a lineage in Africa. What can we do to help our people get Biafra?
What we are going to do to help us get there, I'm going to put you in touch with our people, your flesh and blood, your own brothers and your own sisters, so that you can become a face and rally those of them of Biafran descent, Igbo, Efik, Ibibio, Izon, that we are taking to USA. I cannot wait for Biafra to come because of people like you. I want every Black American Igbo descent to come back to Biafra land to stay. There is enough land for everybody. We will build tall buildings, we will build skyscrapers, so it will accommodate everybody, so that all the killings and the humiliations will stop in America. As soon as Biafra comes, you will see that the humiliation will stop. You don't see them killing South Koreans or Koreans, as a matter of fact. They no longer kill Chinese people. Nobody kills Japanese people. Nobody kills Singaporeans. Nobody even kills Malaysians. It's only Africans they are killing because there is no Biafra. As soon as Biafra comes, all of you are coming back home. But before then, you have a lot of work to do. And the likes of, we know them, Blair Underwood, all these major players, be it in Hollywood or in American sports or even in politics, they must be made to understand by people like you that home is Biafra, not Louisiana. Home is not Texas. Home is Biafra. That is where all of you belong. Mistakenly, some of them have been running to Ghana. Ghana is not the solution. The solution is Biafra, and that Biafra is coming. I have noted your number down. I will give it to our people in the USA. They will contact you. You have a lot of work to do. And when next I'm there, I will endeavor to see you as well. Please remain blessed and stay safe. Thank you very much.
You too, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. When I say that he's been calling and calling and calling, I saw the number and I said, let me try and get back to this very person. And all of a sudden he's one of us. He did DNA test. That is why all of you are going to be baby sabotua. There will be compulsory DNA test. Start now to look for your father in Buzo. Start now to look for your fathers in Funtua. Start now to go back to Brennan Kelly, where you come from. In Biafra land, there will be compulsory DNA test for all of you. Babies have to go back to the north where you come from. Biafra is going to be like a rainbow nation, a true rainbow nation. We have children in Japan, we have children in Indonesia, we have children from Malaysians, we have children from China, we have some from Russia, and our children are from even South Africa, from Brazil, from Ghana, from everywhere. You bring them back, and Biafra will be a truly colorful rainbow nation. And we welcome all of them with open arms. We welcome them with open arms because blood is always thicker than water. I thank this Lawrence. Oh my goodness. I will pass the number to our people, to Obido Bieno and our crew in the USA, to make sure that he is part of, to get black Americans to join. Let us forget Ghana. Well, what is Ghana? The majority of slaves we are taken, or captives, we are taken from Biafra land, not anywhere else. The most expensive slaves in America were Biafran slaves. It is there for the whole world to see. His name is Lawrence. I will let Obido Biano have it. We'll make contact with them, and they can begin to do our work. Or maybe I'll let our mothers contact them actually. I'll pass it to Mrs. Okafor, and she will contact this is our dear brother.
Good morning. Good morning. This is a very special day for a lot of different people, but especially those whose ancestors left this land so many years ago. So it's important for them to be here and walk in the footsteps of their ancestors, and especially today, where we are getting the blessings of the water, we're getting the blessings from the earth, going back to them, so that they can continue the work of their ancestors. As you know, those people that left the coast of Africa years ago were the strongest, the brightest, the best of us. But throughout their ancestors' journey, they struggled with so many different things, including going across the ocean in those boats and going through that journey, right? And then landing in the Americas, and then being purchased, and then working the plantations, and then after the plantations, and after that emancipation, and after that, what was it? Segregation. After that, it was discrimination. So these people that stand in front of you today are the survivors of the worst atrocity of humankind. And they're here today to just say, we want to know who our people are. We are here to find out more. Most of these people are Igbo descendants. Yes, sir. Descendants of one of the greatest cultures of Africa. So, you're looking at them, and what I want you to see when you look at them in their eyes is the eyes of the ancestors that we left. Because it's not just about their journey, it's about our journey as Africans who were left behind, right? We get our cousins, our mothers, our brothers taken away from us. We don't know if they're coming back. Today, they are back. Today, they are getting the blessing of the waters of Africa today. So when you see them walking, they are not foreigners. Who are they? Igbo. Who are they? Igbo. Who are they? Igbo. Treat them as your brothers and your sisters. Thank you.